Continuous ramp type. This state type is similar to a step ramp. The only difference is that in a step ramp, the parameter changes step by step at user-defined time intervals, but in continuous ramp, the parameters increase or decrease continuously with 400 microseconds time steps. The parameters adjusted for continuous ramp include start value, final value, and total time, and start values are specified in a start values table. Here the values for voltage signals are 5, 10, and 15 volts. Note that in continuous ramp state, it is only possible to give ramp to the amplitude of the signal. To fully understand this matter, suppose that there is a 2-degree ramp on an angle current. In this case, every 400 microseconds, the angle changes by 2 degrees, which makes the signal frequency change from 50 Hz. So the concepts of phase and frequency are combined and the relays are no longer able to differentiate between these two, and it is possible that they make incorrect recognitions. Sometimes this relay malfunction may be attributed to the device. To avoid this, this feature has been disabled in the software. Binary output, binary input, and other setting have already been explained, therefore they will not be explained here. In final values table, the final value of the parameters is specified. Here the values for voltage signals are 20, 25, and 30 volts. In total time field, in the continuous ramp setting section, the total time of the state is specified, which is linked with the timeout time in a state termination in trigger setting. Trigger offset value, error trigger overcurrent, and disable relay sections have been described in previous videos, and more descriptions is not necessary here. Another important matter about ramp is that in addition to put ramp on voltage and current, in a step ramp, the user can put ramp on impedance by changing the set mode. Since the hardware is only capable of recognizing voltage and current and cannot recognize the impedance parameter, since there are so many impedance parameters, it is not possible to send these parameters to the hardware in each step. So in a step ramp, firstly, all values of impedance steps are sent to the software and then measured voltage and current sent to the hardware as an array. However, every time step in continuous ramp is 400 microseconds, the amount of calculations and arrays is greatly increased, and it is not possible for the results of the calculations and created arrays to be sent to the hardware. So this state type is always carried out in direct mode.